Hello my dears and welcome to the Woodland themed activity pack video. You should all have your activity pack with you, so let's open it up and see what's inside. We have lots of goodies in our pack. The first thing you may notice is our colouring in sheet here. Now this is actually going to become a little bit of a theatre later on. I'm going to show you how. So what have we got? We have some stickers. We have an owl notebook. We have our paint. We have red, green, yellow, blue, white and black. A paintbrush. We have some colouring in pencils. We have our wooden animal here. Now this one is a squirrel, but there's a few different designs. There's a mole, a mouse, a deer, a fox. There's a few different designs on there. We have some glow sticks. We have our woodland animal mask. My one is a deer, but again, there's a few different designs. I think there's a fox and a badger and a squirrel. We have our scratch art bookmark, which comes with our little scratching stick. We have our messy mat. We have our contents and safety information. A bit of information for the grown-ups. We have animal fun facts, and there is a different fun fact for every animal that you may have in your pack. We have our colour mixing information here. This is a little bit of a quiz for you to do at home. Our colour mixing fact sheet, which colours, when you mix them together, make a new colour. And we have our nature themed scavenger hunt. Okay, so take your messy mat and place it down on your table. Here we have different circles where we can mix our paints. Next you want your paint and your paintbrush. Now have a little look at that sheet that tells you all about the different colours you can make, but do experiment on your colour mixing messy mat. You may need to get some water so you can wash your brush off between paint colours. So if you want to paint your wooden figure, in my case it's a squirrel. Now squirrels could be grey, they could be red, they could be orange. There's a few different colours we can make our squirrel. So in our paint pot we don't have grey or orange, we're going to have to make it. Have a little look at your colour sheet and see what colours you can mix together to make the colour you need. So, to make grey, we're going to mix a bit of white and a bit of black. So I've added my white and I'm going to add a tiny bit of black, and when we mix this together we should get grey. Now what colour should we make next? So I think my squirrel will have a pink nose and maybe some pink ears. So what colours do we need to make pink? White and red. There we go, got some pink now. What colours do you think mix together to make orange? So let's take a little bit of yellow and a little bit of red and mix these together. There we go. Now we have one more space. What colour should we make? What's another woodland colour that might be on one of our woodland animals? What about brown? So to make brown you want black and you want red. So start with the red and add a small amount of black and mix it together. And there we go, we've got brown. So now you want to mix your colours and use the paint that's supplied and decorate your wooden figure. Now you can do both sides or just one side, and don't forget to paint the little stand as well. And when you're done, they slot together like this. And it stands up just like that. If I painted my squirrel now, it would take a little bit too long to dry and I wouldn't be able to show you what it looks like. So I painted a different animal earlier Using your paint or your colouring pencils, colour in the woodland scene inside of your box. When this is ready, you can position it like this and use your little woodland figure as a little puppet. Next, you want to take your woodland mask and colour it in. Don't worry if the colours you use aren't exactly the same colour as the animal. Be creative. If you want to take off the string off your mask so you can colour it in a bit better, here's how to do it. Next, let me show you how to do the scratch art bookmark. This one's really fun and you can use your imagination to draw whatever you like. Think about the kind of things you'd like to put on your bookmark. It could be something like your name, it could be a picture, or it could just be some patterns. So you want to take your stick and you want to scratch away the black on the bookmark, and behind it's going to reveal some rainbow colours. You might want to just do an outline or colour some bits in. Remember, the absence of colour shows off the shape as well. As you scratch on your bookmark, you're going to get some shavings, so just brush those away. So when you're done, you want to take your ribbon and tie a knot in the top. Do a double knot. There we go. And then your bookmark is ready to go in your book. So the last thing to show you that comes in your pack is your glow stick. Now I'm sure you've all used one of these before, but I'm just going to show you how to break it. So you've got your stick here and you just want to just break it all along the edge, and you'll see all the colour on the inside starts coming out, and then you want to give it a big shake. And every glow stick comes with a little connector at the end so you can connect it together to make a bracelet. Now, one of the activities in your pack is a nature scavenger hunt. So if you're out in the forest and it starts getting a little bit dark, you can use your glow stick, make a bracelet or a necklace because there are two, and it makes you a little bit more visible. Thank you so much for joining me for our woodland themed activity pack. If you enjoyed this video, we hope to see you on the next one.